Agriculture Secretary Proceso Alcala reiterates he has nothing to do with the pork barrel scam. Meanwhile, Vice President Jejomar Binay hopes for a faster investigation of the irregularity. Noel Perfecto filed this report.
Following last week's issuance of the first list of names involved in the PDAF scam and pending final list of the Camp of Napoles scheduled for release Wednesday or Thursday this week, Vice President Jejomar Binay hopes for the speedy investigation of the authorities assigned to check on the documents.
Sana dalian yung investigasyon dahil sa kawawa naman yung nasasama na hindi naman dapat masama, katulad dun si Congressman Gullas, first termer yun, paano naman nasama yun dun sa PDAF na.
The Vice President said justice authorities should finish their investigation as soon as possible to spare the innocent names being in the anomaly.
So, tingnan natin kung ano ang magiging itsura nitong kung ano itong second list nito. Pero sana tatapusin na kagad para hindi naman laging nakabitin yung pangalan nila.
Agriculture Secretary Proceso Alcala, one of the names mentioned in the list, said he has nothing to do with the scam and is ready to face any series of investigations once he is summoned.
Dapat po nagiging maingat tayo dyan sapagkat sa dami po ng listahan lumalabas, hindi na po natin maintindihan kung alin na may katotohanan. At gusto ko rin pong sabihin sa inyo na ako po ay mas nakapokus doon sa listahan na kailangan pong gawin na kagawaran. Ito po yung listahan ng mga dapat ibigay sa magsasaka, mga listahan na dapat na itutulong sa mga mangingisda, at listahan po ng pagpapataas ng productivity ng mga mamamayang Pilipino.
Former legislator Aquilino Nene Pimentel said he was surprised upon discovering that he was on the list, adding that he never knew alleged PDAF brains Napoles or even Ben-Hur Louie.
I suspect that all these revelations have to do with the 2016 elections.
Napoles' camp, the final list, is set to have more revelations come its due date next week. Meanwhile, BID authorities continue to keep a tight watch on all exit and entry points in the country for the possible escape of all those named in PDAF scam list.
We already sent word to our airport operations management to be extra vigilant so that we will be able to monitor those who are suspects in the PDAF scam. We have yet to get legal authority to really stop the travel, but at the very least we should be able to monitor pursuant to the Secretary's directive.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.